Hello and welcome to Gooseberry AI. My name is Oliver and I'm the founder of Gooseberry AI, an AI school where we help individuals and businesses learn to use artificial intelligence with confidence. Whether you are completely new to AI tools or you have been using them for a while and feel you are not quite getting the results you want, this series is for you. Over the next several videos, we are going to talk about prompt engineering. By the end of this series, you will understand what a prompt actually is, what makes a prompt strong or weak, and most importantly, you will see exactly how to write better prompts live in real time. Let us start with the foundations. A prompt is simply the instruction or the message that you give to an AI model. Everything you type into ChatGPT, Claude, or any similar tool is a prompt. Most people treat prompts like a search engine query. They type a few words, get a response, and if the response is not great, they assume that AI is not very capable. But that is like handing someone a half-finished brief and being surprised when the result misses the mark. Prompt engineering is the skill of writing clear, structured instructions that give the AI model everything it needs to respond well. The 4 elements of a strong prompt. A well-constructed prompt has 4 key elements. I want you to remember these because you will see every one of them in action across the demos in this series. Element 1. Role. Tell the AI who it should be. For example, you are a senior marketing consultant. This immediately shifts the tone and depth of the response. Element 2. Context. Give the AI background information. What is the situation? Who is the audience? What does the AI need to know to help you properly? Element 3. Task. Be explicit about what you want. Not write something about my product, but write a 200-word product description targeting first-time buyers, focusing on ease of use and time saving. Element 4. Format. Tell the AI how you want the output structured. Should it be a bullet list, a table, a 3-paragraph email? The clearer you are, the more useful the result. Keep those 4 elements in mind. In the next video, I will show you the single most common mistake people make and exactly how to fix it. I'm Oliver from Gooseberry AI. See you in the next one.